Cloud sync, why not build your own? There is so many reason to build your own cloud system, especially for storage. The number one reason is you must manage your own data. We need to save, sync our photo, video contacts. So most of us use Google free 15 GB of space. The other options to store our data is by using iCloud from Apple, OneDrive, or Dropbox. There are some other players like OwnCloud or Nextcloud. There are many benefits to DIY your own cloud storage like privacy, cost saving, multi-location data store, maximum or full grip on your own data if you host on your home or office. You can set your own instance of Nextcloud on your own, and you can get community support or get paid support from DWD consultancy services or any other software company in that matter.